Get your tickets, Full RPM fans, because I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus €5,000 to one lucky winner. So for your opportunity to win it, go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate, or buy the merch, and you automatically enter to winner. This bike is equipped with M Endurance wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, heated grips, wheelie control, stoppie control, traction control, and much, much more. Hurry while there's tickets still available.
Hey. Alright, brother. I see you guys. I had it woke up me. Check out my man with the biker jackets. Biker gang. What would they like? Yeah, man.
What? What the?
Power on the corner. The feet hit the towers. The price went up.
Oh, shiza.
Alright, what's up, baby? I see y'all people. Alright. Like a big Lionel Messi. I see y'all over there, bro.
Yo, dig up.
Wow. Banging into people. Gotta watch those people that bump into you in the crosswalk. Shout out that lady, man. She got famous off of that. But my question is about her. How does she know all of them? You know, it takes one to know one. How does she know all of them? Good question, right? Makes you think about that shit. Alright. Makes you think about it. Man, move on it. I had it right there. I had a chance to go. But it's okay. Alright, y'all taking it now, stretching it.
Last night, woke up me. Wrote my first verse, my first CD. And the same 38, the same old now.
Potsdamer, Berlin, baby. For you those who don't know, I am Full RPM coming to you live from Berlin. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. City's bustling, Christmas markets are going. Hold on to the heated grips. Hello. Alright. People from behind the bush. Shout out Bushman. Hey. Who's calling me? 3 o'clock. Alarm clock goes off at 3. Alarm clock goes off at 3. Stop the music on me. How I'm that gotta pull over. Turn that thing off. It's good. Top off. Stop. That big up plug back. Bring him back. We're hard, baby. Hey, see my man over here taking the pictures? I'm picturing too. Just not me and you. Me and your boo. I'm rhyming, baby. Hey. What's that? Come on, keep going. Alright, I see you. Michael Jackson with the French painter hat. With the French painter. Not the French painter. Shout out France, man. They made those hats famous. Hey. One of my people used to have one of them. Shout out Jean-Claude Van Damme. Jean-Claude. Jean-Claude. Alright, baby. Alright. Alright. We out here though making good impressions on people. See you over there, baby. Somebody blowing it down. What you doing? Don't come out of there too quick on the top G, baby. Just to catch the light. Not worth it, baby. Man, I had a...
Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam.
What's me? Same old nine. I see you, though. Yeah. What's up with your friend? Man, that... Let me check. How my money's checked. Coming through this creeping right here. Up to the front. Ooh. Creep up to the front, Steve. I am
Man, do your project, bitch, let's ride. When you won't get in, then what's up with your friend?